Wagwan, what's great? Chef here, John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make a simple all-purpose seasoning at home, right?
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Over the years, I've been purchasing all-purpose seasoning, and a lot of you on here has been asking me like, where have you gotten your all-purpose seasoning? If I do tell you, chances are a lot of people may say they cannot find that seasoning in their area. So I said, okay, I'm going to make my very own all-purpose seasoning. So then I can tell you at home what to put in there to get a similar taste, right? So today I have here some basic ingredients. And the first thing I'm going to be using is some Himalayan salt. Pink salt. Now I'm going to just say pink salt because that's what may bother me. So now, this is natural salt, so it's a bit saltier than your table salt, right? So you have to be cautious of the amount that we use. Shake, you don't want too much now. So around a tablespoon and a half, if you really check it out, you know? Yeah. So around a tablespoon and a half of that salt. Then I'm gonna go in with about a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of pimento, grounded pimento, and you would call it grounded allspice. Now I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of masala, and this is one of my all-time favorite. So you get a bit of color from this as well as flavor. I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of that Cajun seasoning. So you see you get a little bit of rosemary in there and stuff, right? And a little bit of chili flakes. That's from the Cajun seasoning. And of course, we're going to finish off with garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, and onion powder. And then we're just going to mix everything together. Because I have the pink salt and the Cajun in there, but this needs a bit more color, I'm going to go in with some paprika. 1 tablespoon of that paprika, just for that color. So mix that in. And there you have it, my homemade all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to be using this all-purpose seasoning for almost all-purpose everything, right? But today I'm going to be doing some barbecue chicken from scratch. So stay tuned for that video, and thank you very much for watching again. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. You know what I say? If you try this all-purpose seasoning out, let me know in the comment section, and you can also let me know if there's anything else that you would add at home to make this all-purpose seasoning more personal. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And safe travel upon the gravel, and go and pick up on yourself.
See you another dinner for later. But know you're fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.